never stops. Full course meal. Full course meal and everything. And then they came with the cheese bread. It just keeps coming, guys.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'd like to be the first to welcome you to the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport.
Alright, so we just got off the plane, and now we have to start the freaking 9-hour layover.
We're going out of the ocean.
Wait, are you guys at us?
Yeah, we are. Serious. Got to connect.
Looking forward to this though. 9-hour layover.
I can't do this.
But don't look at the camera.
Oh. Well, f you.
Alright, so, alright.
Howdy, y'all.
No. So we just got off the plane and we found this cool ass Joy statue. Anyway, we're gonna explore this airport, see what it has to offer, right?
Sure.
Sure.
Actually, we're gonna go out tonight. You wanna join us?
Sure. 9 hours in an airport. 9 hours just to go to Guatemala, man. Let's go.
We're the three best friends.
Excuse me.
Anybody
Excuse me. Excuse me.
What is your problem?
Freaking people, man. I hate slow people. I hate slow people.
Marito.
Yo, caught on camera, that would have been funny. He actually fell.
That's perfect.
Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop serves gates.
I'm tired. It's all bundled up. Big ass jacket.
I mean, it is cold here in Texas. We're living in New weather.
Oh, it says
This is not an ad.
That a
feel it in my soul.
Does it say Crystal?
Did it say Prius? I think it is. Turn it around. I don't see no crystal on it.
Hi. This is too wild.
Is anything open in Texas right now?
Oh, there it is.
Oh my god,
We in this.
not making it. I know. Okay, so what do y'all want to do? We can go downtown.
I'm not. It's Texas, girl. You don't need.
It's Texas.
I don't know. There's this really cool place called Deep Ellum. I don't know if you have heard of it.
No.
We're not from here.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. I mean, you go to like the place that you think is like coolest,
Nice.
or
But no food because we're starved.
Yeah, we're.
I
ate before the plane. They fed us on the plane. Nah, I'm good.
No, I went for Pepsi.
Pepsi.
Yeah.
Pepsi or Coca-Cola, even if you work at Pepsi.
I am Coca-Cola. Wait, don't record it.
Alright, so you might not be able to see me. Let me see if I can get some light. Alright. So we are headed right now to downtown. And we're gonna kill 6 hours. Because then we have to be back to the airport, whatever. But we're gonna kill 6 hours, see what we could do here, Dallas Fort Worth. Crazy though. Like over there. That whole building has like freaking LED lights all over it. Alright, bet.
Should we cross over? Are you willing to cross over? You should have gotten that on your vlog. Sorry. I don't know if it'll come out good.
Okay, yeah, I think you guys are close.
What's down here, a ditch?
Bro, it's cold. So we parked, right? And there's a freaking heel on that sign. Why do they do that? Big. That sign is mad cool. Oh. Yo, what the fuck? This guy just crashed. Oh nah, son. That guy's drunk. Bro. I missed that. Yo, we saw that happen right in front of us, man.
I saw it. Like,
It was the guy's fault.
it was his fault.
Nah, but
He was leaving.
hey, they got the picture of the license plate though. No, but you saw how that guy came out of the parking though. It jumped. I'm like, okay, that was an accident, but boom, right into the car.
Like, how do you not see the car? It's just these like tires.
Nah, that he was definitely like drunk or high or something.
Yeah, don't.
Oh nah, but
Can't believe that.
oh my god, I missed it, man. I'm so
I'm opening my store.
good, bro.
There's a place here where it's like they pretend that they cut your hair and then atrás they have a bar.
Oh, what?
Well, before I found out through Dip because we took our kids there.
What the?
They have milkshakes that are different, like jams type of drink. Oh, a mí también.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please follow, like, and share. I don't have Twitter, I don't have Facebook. You can follow me on Instagram at Reyes. And
What's your handle?
yo, it's MarioMCRRX. I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can. I'm gonna leave it in the description too, so you guys can follow me. So go and do that. Share it too. Thank you.
Bye.